Kids love to play with toys that make sounds, especially whistles. With iWhistle app, kids can craft the most unique whistles imaginable. To get started, simply open the iWhistle and click Start. For first-time users, please select Download. There are 3 categories: Creative, Customized and Traditional. Let's start with Creative. You'll be presented with a model interface. On the right side there is a model library. Select a model you like and it'll be displayed on the interface. You can change its tone. Click on the Horn button to perform a test. When you're done, click on Tick to go to the design interface. In the lower left corner you'll find an image library with different themes. You can also add texts to personalize your model. Select images you like and drag them onto the model. You can rotate, zoom in or out the model to check details. Click Initial to straighten the model. If you want to change the color, use the color palette on the left side of the interface. Click Undo to return to the previous step. Use these buttons to adjust the images. When you're done, click Tick. At the bottom, you'll find 5 action buttons. Now let's take a look at the Customized. You'll see the same interface as in Creative. You can change the whistle numbers and the equalizer by clicking on these buttons. Or you can change the equalizer by moving the whistles. When you're done, click on Tick to go to the design interface. All other functions are the same as in the Creative. Let's talk about traditional last. In the lower left corner you can find an image library with different themes. You can also click on plus to add your own pictures. Drag the button until the image is completely filled. You can adjust its size and position. If you want to delete the picture, select it and click Delete. Select an image you like and it'll be displayed in the preview area. You can flip the image horizontally or vertically, copy it and delete it. You can also use these buttons to draw your own image. With this button you can decide whether you want to fill the image or not. When you're done, click Tick to go to the tone adjustment interface. Click Tick to go to the design interface. All other functions remain the same. When you're done, click the Print button to print the whistle. Let's get the fun started.